Hello students, this is for class 6 subject information technology. Students, so far we have been continuing chapter 4, that is more on PowerPoint. In the last video, that was the video number 3, you had learned about how to insert chart in PowerPoint. Now today you will learn about how to change chart type and how to format a chart in PowerPoint. So let's start about this. As here we have the topic changing the chart type first.
How to change the chart type. Select the chart. Click on the Design tab. Click on the Change Chart Type button in Type Group on the Design tab. The Insert Chart dialog box will appear. Select any chart type and click on OK. The chart will change into a new chart type. Students, note the fact that we modify the chart settings by clicking on Select Data button in the Data Group on Design tab. The Select Data Source dialog box with options to add, edit, remove, series, change the chart data range, etc. will open. Make the modifications as needed. Let us now learn how to format a chart.
So as you can see how to change the chart type, so let us also do practically. As here we have made the chart, so select the chart first. The chart is selected. Now here you can see chart tools on the top. Chart tools, it has 3 tabs: design, layout and format. So if you want to change the chart type, click on design tab. Now here is given change chart type. On design tab of chart tools, then design tab, then the button is there, change chart type. So we can click this button and select any other type, like if we want line chart, pie chart or bar chart, so we can select any one of these and accordingly we can change. Suppose in bar chart we want any other types, this type, so we can click OK. As you can see the below, right now it is column chart, but now we are selecting bar chart. So in bar chart it is a 3D style, so we can select and click OK. Now you can see the chart type has been changed. Any other type if you want to, so you can again click on change chart type. Again you can select any other type, like in column chart only you can select 3D types like this or like this or any other. So you can select any 3D type and then click OK. Now you can see. So this is the way how we change the chart type. Further is given how to change the data. If you want to change the data value, like given 90, 80, 70, these values you want to change. So how can you change it? Here you can see edit data on design tab only. First you select the chart. After selecting the chart, we can find the chart tools tab here. On this tab we have 3 other tabs, that is design, layout and format. Now on design tab we have the option edit data. If we click this, we will find our data which we had entered to show the chart. Now in this, any change you want to make, you can clearly do it. Suppose this is 55, now we want to change it, or this is 85, we want to change it, suppose 40. So you can see here I am changing Sumit's mark in maths. So in maths, Sumit mark, that is red color, this will be decreased. Press enter key. See here, Sumit's maths mark have been decreased. So like this, any other mark you want to change, like 80, this also you want to change to 40 or 42. So now this time Sumit's mark in Hindi will be decreased. So Sumit's mark in Hindi, that is of blue color, it will be decreased. Here Sumit's mark in Hindi have been decreased. So this way we can edit the data. Now further it is telling how to format a chart. So let us see this and then I will tell you practically.
Formatting improves the appearances of a chart. We can format the chart to add title, change the text, font, line, color, width, border, style, legends, data series, etc. When we insert a chart, 3 new tabs will appear on the ribbon. The 3 tabs, Design, Layout and Format, contains various chart tools and commands that allow you to modify and format the chart. Students, note that splitting a cell means dividing the cell further into separate cells, rows or columns. Place the pointer on any cell and select Split Cells tool. To combine the data in a single cell, Merge Cells option is used. Let's now learn how to modify the chart layout. The chart layout determines how specific chart information will appear. To change the chart layout, select the chart and click on the Design tab. Scroll through the options in the Chart Layout group or click the More drop-down arrow to see all the chart layout options. Select any chart layout according to the need. Now, let's look at additional chart formatting.
So let us now first do the practical of chart layout. As you can see here, our chart is selected. First, okay, let us first deselect. Now it is deselected. Now first select the chart, and you see here on top the 3 tabs, that is Design, Layout and Format. So select the chart first. Now you can see Design, Layout and Format. These 3 tabs appear. Now on Design tab, if you click, here we have the chart layout. Here you can see on the ribbon chart layout is written. Now here we can click the drop down arrow or we can scroll through. So select drop down arrow and select any chart layout whichever you want to apply. Like this one we want to apply. See here it has been changed. Any other layout you want to apply, this one, this has been changed. Any other, this one you want, this will change. So this way we can change the chart layout. Additional formatting like the chart styles here given. So you can select the chart styles among these, anyone whichever you like. Now further see additional chart formatting. What is additional chart formatting?
Use the tools on the Format tab to modify the chart in various ways. Using this tab, we can change the chart outline, format the chart text as word art and more. Let us now find out how to change the shape, styles and color. Quick styles for lines include line styles, gradients, various effects and shadow. Select the line that you want to change. Select any quick style from the Shape Styles group on the Format tab. To view more quick styles, click the More button and select the desired style. Students, a note for you. Likewise, you can change the background color, outline and effect by using the Shape Fill, Shape Outline and Shape Effects options respectively in the Shape Styles group.
So let us do this live. Here you can see in the practical our chart is selected. We have selected our chart. Now first select the line which you want to format. So remember that formatting is done from the Format tab. So first select the line like this one we want to change. So click Format. Now here is Shape Styles given. You can click Shape Styles and select your style, anyone whichever you want. Like this one you want, this one you want, this one you want. So this one. Now Shape Fill. If you want to have Shape Fill, from here you can click Shape Fill option. Shape Outlines, any color you want, shape outlines like red color. So this shape outlining will appear in the line outlining. So this way we can change. Further any other line we want to change, like this one, plot area. So we can again click here Shape Styles and change the plot area also. We can have any color in plot area also. So now you can see plot area. Now the lines, grid lines you want to change. So grid line also you can change, dotted, dashed or any other. You can see here different colors are given. Black lines you want, so you can click black lines. Grid lines are changed. Now data series also shape you want to change, so you can change data series shapes also. So this way we can format the entire chart, different parts of the chart from the format tab. Let us see further.
Students, note that to make changes in chart data, right-click on the chart and select Edit Data option. Data sheet will open. Make changes in it and notice the effect. Now we will discuss about changing background, colors and patterns. We can modify a chart by changing its colors, patterns and background. Right-click on the plot area of the chart and select Format Plot Area from the Context menu. The Format Plot Area dialog box will appear. Select the border styles, border color, shadow effect according to your choice. Click on the Fill tab, then click on Picture or Texture Fill option. Click on Texture button and choose the required texture from the display choices. Click on Close button and observe the change. A quick view for you students.
So let us do this. How to format plot area. Just now I told you. So like this one is plot area. Here this is plot area. So this background you want to change. Simply you can select the shape fill and select picture, gradient or texture, or you can right click also. Right click here, select format plot area. Then here the option appeared. Here you want to change background border colors, so you can select border colors, solid lines or dotted line or any other. So you can select the border colors like red or any other. Then the border styles you want, dash types, dotted types, this one. Then fill, in fill what you want, picture, texture or solid fill. So texture, as told texture, so we can select texture here, any texture we can apply likewise. Or you want gradient fill, you can fill the gradient option also. Here you can select the gradient colors, preset colors are given, so you can choose any one color, whichever you like, this color, and then finally click on close button. Now you can see the plot area is formatted. Further,
press F5 or select Slideshow tab from Beginning or View tab. Then Slideshow option to run a presentation. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter.
So that's all students for today. The quick points and the exercise will be told in the next video. I hope you have understood the topics. If you have the laptop or computer at your home, kindly do the practical and try to understand each and every topic. Thank you.